in a similar way. They were fleeing from the police. They were not posing any danger to the police. For the armed officers to be justified according to our laws to use their firearms against unarmed, peaceful demonstrators. They were not in any danger. We have had a statement issued by the PS Interior saying that police officers were attacked and one officer lost his life. It tells you who had the guns and the bullets. We are mourning over 30 shot by the police, gunshot wounds, each one of them. But they are saying there's one officer who lost their life against this over 30. We want to say poleni kwa wale wote wamepoteza wapendwa wenu, and as the team is setting up, we want to assure you by this Friday, we will continue with the mourning and the prayers through the weekend. We will be going to different parts of Kenya to mourn with you. That is what we will be doing. Now, I do not see Thank you. So as they're setting up, we will start the laying of flowers, and we will be led in this session by our leader, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga. He will be the first one on behalf of Azimio and all Kenyans to lay a flower in memory of our dear departed. And he will also lead the nation in lighting the candle. And we want to ask all Kenyans across our country to light up a candle today and to say a prayer for the dear departed. As our leader is doing this, we are happy that across the country I've seen in Kisii already people have started lighting candles. Please, in your own special way, as the Right Honorable Raila Odinga is doing, do so in memory of our dear departed. And after our leader, we'll ask the Honorable Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka to come and also, thank you very much. Our leader lays the flowers in memory of the dear departed. His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka will follow to do the same, to lay the flower and observe a minute of silence. And he'll thereafter also light a candle in memory of that. After His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, I will ask my other co-principals, the Honorable Governor Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya, the first Governor of Kakamega, and the Deputy Party Leader ODM, to come and also lay his flower and light a candle in memory of the dear departed. After Governor Oparanya, we'll have Governor Mwangi wa Iria, who will follow to honor our heroes